Hello everybody, welcome back to today's video. Today we're in the midst of a lockdown because of coronavirus, so I'm not really allowed out of the house. I'm not allowed to go anywhere. All of the mini shows have been cancelled, which is fair enough. I've ordered a thing from SMPS2012. I featured them previously in the channel. They did the light, the indicators on the side of the mini, the beltline kit as well. But I've ordered some side scuttle, as you can see, side scuttle decals. So I ordered them a couple of days ago. Even with the lockdown or whatever it is, they still came like within a couple of days, so which is amazing. So I'm going to go out to the car. I'm going to show you where they go, how you install them. We're going to give the car a quick clean. It's already been cleaned actually the other day. It's quite clean. So we're going to get the camera up on the tripod and we're going to get these installed. I still don't know what to go with though, gloss or matte. We'll find out. Right then, so these are the decals. They go in there like that. So we're going to start off by taking off the indicator. We're going to give it a quick wipe down. I'm going to go from there. So if you remember seeing on the indicator install video, you pull up from the bottom, I think. Ooh, and then cut yourself in the process. Oh dear. We're going to remove these. It's a bit warm in there. I've just got back from work though. There we go. Tuck that in there. We're going to use some chocolate quick detailer by the Detail Kitchen. Mist it over. And then just wipe away. So I just want to add as well, the process is the same for the other side as well. Okay. So I'm going to go with the black, the matte ones today. You can always swap them out later. So we're going to peel this off. I may need to get the heat gun out as well. So I'm just going to line that up like so. Getting that even along there. I'm just going to get the heat gun. Okay, like so. And just go over it with microfiber, just to flatten it out, make sure the air bubbles are out. Okay. Now we're going to reinstall the indicator. Relocate in the bottom and then pushing at the top. Look at that. I know it's sort of like black on grey, but that really does accent it quite nice. Adds a shadow to it, which looks really nice. Yeah. The cut as well is really nice, as you can see. There we go. I really like that. Again, it just adds a shadow on there, as you can see. But I'm going to end this video here, guys. If you do like the video, click like. I will be doing more modifications to the Mini in the future, so be sure to hit that subscribe button and the notification button. You'll be notified when I upload a new video. I will also drop a link in the description where you can pick these up as well. SMPS are also offering free delivery at the moment during the coronavirus pandemic. So, you know, if you're stuck in the house, want to do stuff, get some bits ordered, and go from there. Anyway, thank you for watching. I shall see you all in the next video.